Now, the certified most accurate forecast from First Alert meteorologist Jessica Dobson.
Well, good morning and happy Sunday. We're kickstarting the second half of your weekend on a bit of a soggy and wet note. We're talking about a couple of scattered showers that continue to work through the area. These really aren't causing too many issues this morning, but you'll notice a lot of the rain is starting to work into portions of Horry and Georgetown County, making their way towards the Grand Strand. So just be prepared for the rain. You know, we're seeing wet roadways, some patchy dense fog this morning. Just take it slow and give yourself some extra time if you are heading out to any sort of destinations this morning. So we're talking about a cold front. That is the big triggering mechanism, what we would call it in meteorology, for what is sparking a lot of these showers. So we've actually seen a couple of rumbles of thunder. That won't be out of the question for the rest of today either. So we're going to continue to see the rain fill in through the rest of this morning, and we've got plenty of moisture to work with too, which is good news. We need the rain, but it's just going to make for kind of a wet day, and we'll see this cold front work through. You'll notice the winds will start to shift from out of the north and east, and that's going to mean some cooler air will begin to work into the area. Winds will really start to pick up as well as this starts to happen. So we'll start to see things dry out as we head towards this afternoon and into this evening. So the rain is going to be fairly short-lived, all things considered. So by tonight, we're looking mainly dry. It's very foggy outside right now. This is a live look from our studio sky cam, and there's not really a whole lot we can see at this hour, but warm temperatures continue into the 60s, and we're not going to warm up very much from here. We're actually going to be expecting temperatures to peak right at about 68 degrees for this morning before eventually falling back down into the 50s, then eventually the 40s for tonight. So we're looking at quickly dropping temperatures that are going to quickly drop as we head towards tonight. In fact, we're looking at overnight lows dipping down into the middle 30s for tonight. It's going to become quite chilly, a little breezy. So tomorrow morning's not going to be feeling too good. Make sure you're bundling up, getting the coats, the jackets back out. You won't need the rain gear, which is good news, but tomorrow 51 degrees for our high. Quite the change, about 20 plus degrees different than what we saw yesterday. So looking at some much cooler air working into the area. As we take you through Tuesday and Wednesday of this week, we are going to continue to expect a couple of showers to work back into the forecast. But as far as rainfall amounts, we're going to be looking at maybe an inch or so of rainfall once we get through Tuesday and Wednesday as well. So we need the rain, and this is going to be some good news for the majority of us. So looking at your Beach 7-day forecast, another wave of rain does work into the area by Tuesday and Wednesday, dry things out. Christmas. I haven't even had a chance to talk about Christmas yet. We've had such active weather this weekend. Christmas could potentially be near 70 degrees. Not feeling much like winter. I think a lot of people, at least, you know, friends, family visiting from out of state, especially from up north, they're going to be very happy with this Christmas forecast because it's looking very mild, above average. I like the cooler weather every now and again, but it's going to warm right back up for next week.